Are you struggling with your brand new YouTube channel? Or you are not able to increase your subscribers and views? And if we are not lucky like Janelle, who gets 1 million subscribers in only 2 weeks, we must push ourselves. But just remember to upload only good and smart content. So forget about algorithms, numbers, views, subscribers. What if I will tell you that there is a tool online that will help you? And what if I will tell you that this tool will make you save money, time, constantly look into your competitors, and gives you the right keywords for your tags, which is the most important thing to do on the tube. All these things for you. It is too beauty to be real, but it's real. And I will tell you how I discovered a secret for everybody. Something called TUBEBUDDY, which is my best friend online right now. You can use this tool for free. I will show you right now on my laptop. Are you ready? Let's go. Ciao beautiful YouTubers, I'm Lucia Sinatra. Long story short, I had in February 26 subscribers only, and today I have 45k and 6.5 million views globally on my channel. How I did it? A lot of passion, a lot of work, a secret that I will tell you straight away. You don't need to buy views or subscribers. This is a waste of money and time. This will not help you. You need to create valuable content and use the right tools.
Watch this video till the end, otherwise you will not be able to understand how it works, and it's very important to follow each step.
Please use my link so I will be rewarded from TUBEBUDDY premium account, so this will help me. I really need that tools for free and you can do the same. So this is my secret for you. Let's have a look to Janelle Eliana, just to let you understand how many information I have here. As you can see, this is the TUBEBUDDY logo. So he will tell us everything about this channel. She have almost 8 million total views only in this video. These are the comments that she had. Likes and dislikes. I want to congrats to Janelle. She have all my supports, and I don't care if she is helped by someone from YouTube itself. I'm actually proud of what she is doing because she's doing great. We have also the channel globally views 31 millions. The number of the subscribers almost 2 millions, and the video she uploaded in her full channel. The incredible thing of TUBEBUDDY is that will gives you the exactly tags that in this case Janelle used for this video. So this is something that will help you to raise your channel. All these green numbers are the indication of how this term or phrase is working for this video. As you can see, it's working great. Self-conversion, alternative living, solo female traveler, tiny home, van conversion, solo female van tour, road trip, how to convert a van cheap, tiny house tour. These are interesting things that I am pretty sure she did using TUBEBUDDY. I think this is one of her secrets. Another incredible thing of TUBEBUDDY is that if you are doing the same kind of video and you are living in a van, you can basically copy all the list of the tags that she used for this video and click to copy board, and then you only have to add it in your own personal video. My dear Janelle, I don't know if this is your secret or not, but I am pretty sure you used TUBEBUDDY and you were so lucky. Oh, I forget to put a like to my friend Janelle. As you can see, I am already subscribed. She do beautiful editings. The lights are very cool, natural, and warm. She is competent. She is clear.
Toothbrush, toothpaste, also Dr. Bronner's, some floss.
And she's different. She's cute. She's beautiful. She's living a full life of freedoms. I think that's herself for real. Oh, this is a fun part when she go out. I already saw this. That was cool. That was a cool idea. I am not sure she do this alone, but however, she's doing it great. Don't you agree with me? So back to TUBEBUDDY, I really think you have to use it. If you go to your channel or your personal dashboard channel, you will find a lot of new functions that YouTube doesn't give you automatically. So don't forget to use my affiliate link below and subscribe, because I'm going to do a lot of tips here on the tube that nobody will tell you. This is it for the first video, and stay tuned and subscribe for more. Ciao! I am a singer, and actually my website is www.singerindubai.com. Stay tuned and subscribe for more.